You all may be seated. Miss Henry.
Yes, ma'am.
Mrs. Henry, excuse me. You brought this case before the court.
Yes,
What's
ma'am.
going on?
Well, I'm bringing my husband, hopefully ex-husband soon, for child support. He roughly pays about $1,000 a month, and I feel he should be paying more because he makes more. He makes more than I do.
All right, guys, buckle up for this one. What starts as a simple child support hearing quickly turns into a masterclass in jealousy, fairness, and brutal honesty. Mrs. Henry walks in demanding more money, even though her husband's already paying $1,000 a month voluntarily. But when the judge starts digging into the facts, things take a sharp turn. The question isn't just about money anymore, it's about motive. And trust me, by the end of this hearing, that motive becomes crystal clear.
Okay, but he's not under a court order, right?
No, ma'am. He just gives.
So he voluntarily gives you $1,000 a month for child support.
Yes, and exactly voluntarily gives me money. Every
But
now
that's
and then.
a good thing, right?
Every now and then he gives me money. Then most time I'm begging for him to give me money.
So Mrs. Henry begins by saying her husband should be paying more. But notice this, there's no court order yet. He's been paying out of pocket, by choice. That's already rare in child support disputes. The judge catches that instantly. He voluntarily gives you $1,000? And Mrs. Henry agrees. The tension here? She wants more, even though there's no evidence he's neglected his role. Is this about financial need or emotional control?
Still get it?
So what's going on? Like, fill me in. How did we get here today?
We're here today because I know he's a truck driver. He's over the road all the time. But like I said, I need more money for my children. They're in activities, private school. I just need more money. And I'm not jealous of him or anything like that. That's what he said before, but I'm not.
You said they're in activities and they go to private school, right?
Yes.
Isn't it fair to assume that the $1,000 is covering that?
No, it's not.
So who needs the money, the kids or you?
Well, of course, I have to look good too, but I don't spend that money on myself. I spend it on
She
my
spend all of it
no,
on herself,
I do
Your
not.
Honor.
No, I do not. No, I do not. You don't have proof of that?
Your Honor, I currently...
You don't have proof of that?
I currently...
Okay, you do not have proof of that?
Excuse me. Okay. As best you can, try not to interject until I'm done speaking with her, and I promise I will come over.
When the judge asks how the money's being spent, Mrs. Henry's answer sends up major red flags. She insists it's all for the kids, but then adds, "Of course I have to look good too." That moment right there, that's where the judge's tone shifts. You can hear it. From that point on, she's testing Mrs. Henry's credibility. Because in family court, it's not just about receipts, it's about trust.
Over to you.
Yes,
Thank you, because I was talking.
I was talking to him. I did not need you to echo me.
Yes,
okay?
ma'am.
All right. Now you answer my questions.
Yes, ma'am.
Wouldn't it be fair to say that with the tuition as well as the children's expenses, that $1,000 is covering that?
It's not.
How much is the tuition?
Tuition is, we have 2 children.
Okay.
And tuition it's about $500 a piece. That's $1,000 right there. And I still need more money because I need clothes. I need to feed them.
Does he give you any money in regards to extra, like for the extracurricular activities or anything like that?
I'm trying to get extra. He won't give me that. No, he does not give me extra.
What is the visitation schedule between the two of you?
He has the kids Sunday through Wednesday.
The judge then forces the math. 2 kids in private school, $500 each. That's the entire $1,000. So where exactly is the extra money supposed to come from? This is the first reality check. The court deals in numbers, not emotions. And Mrs. Henry's logic starts cracking under pressure. But here's the thing. When parents mix lifestyle expectations with legal obligations, who really pays the price?
That's split. So let me just make sure I got this straight. He's voluntarily giving you $1,000 a month for child support. He has the children, you said Sunday through Wednesday?
Yes.
Which means you have them Wednesday through Sunday.
That's correct.
Who pays health insurance?
I do, Your Honor.
How much is health insurance?
It's roughly $309 a month. And she asked me a question.
Then we find out something huge. The father has the kids almost half the week, Sunday through Wednesday. That means this isn't a deadbeat dad situation. It's shared parenting. And yet, she still wants more money on top of that. The judge is visibly puzzled, because if custody is split, The support arrangement should reflect balance, not punishment.
But
All
she's still
right.
talking to me though.
Okay, I did ask him a question.
Okay.
So, everything that I just repeated back to you is accurate, right?
He has money. He's spending on other
That
women.
wasn't my question. Everything that I just repeated back to you is accurate, right? So I'm confused as to why you're here. Are you trying to put him on
I want to put him on
You want to
support.
put him on child support
Yes,
for
ma'am.
the $1,000, or are you trying to put him on child support for something more?
Something more, yes.
Okay, let me move over to, well, before I move over to him, what do you do for a living?
I'm a teacher.
At this point, the judge basically spells it out. He pays $1,000 a month, covers health insurance, and splits custody. From a legal standpoint, that's solid support. But Mrs. Henry keeps pushing. I want to put him on child support. The judge pauses. That's the turning point. This isn't about enforcing payment. It's about increasing it. And the judge senses it immediately. So, is this court case really about the kids or control?
She just found out that I'm recently dating, so now she's mad at me.
Oh, I'm mad.
There
I'm
goes
mad.
the
Very mad.
conflict.
I'm not mad. I'm not mad.
There goes the conflict.
I'm
Now
not
I
mad.
asked what was the disconnect here. It was something missing. So you brought him to court because he has a new girlfriend?
No, ma'am. I'm not
That's
mad
exactly
about
why, Your Honor.
You're engaged.
Yes, ma'am.
He's still gonna want to marry you after he see what you're doing to this man?
He's on my side of
And then, boom, the husband drops the bomb. She's engaged. You can feel the room shift. Suddenly, it's not about money, it's about emotions. He even adds that she got angry after finding out he's dating someone new. The judge's reaction? Priceless. You brought him to court because he has a new girlfriend? That one question slices straight through the drama.
about this.
Of course he is.
So he agrees that he should be paying more than
Yes.
$1,000 a month
Yes, 'cause
in
like
child
I said,
support.
he has other women that he's pretty much
What does
tricking
his
money
other
on.
women have to do with anything?
he's spending all
Quite
the money.
frankly, you shouldn't care. You have a whole nother man that you should be worried about, and you over
Understand
here
that.
all in.
I'm trying to be
And
in
he
his
doesn't
business.
even
You
work
are
here.
trying to be in his business
You-
because you have mentioned it twice that he has other women. His
Yes.
other women has nothing to do with this
It-
case.
it
So
really
you can
does,
pipe
Your Honor.
down
It really
and stop
does.
bringing that up. It has nothing to do with
Okay.
it. Well, let
It
me
really
say it
does.
like this. It is not going to have an impact on my decision today.
Wow. Okay.
Okay? Thank you. Now, so you have a new girlfriend and she's in her feelings about it.
Judge Vanderby doesn't hide her disbelief. She flat out asks if the fiancé supports this behavior. And when Mrs. Henry says yes, the judge fires back. He's still going to marry you after he sees what you're doing to this man. That line lands hard. This isn't just a legal reality check, it's a moral one. The judge's patience is running thin, and you can feel the verdict forming.
Okay?
She always try to come by to see if she's there. If she seals out, she always try to come make a hostile environment.
Did your fiance come to court today?
No, he didn't.
Oh, well, I'm glad. Because if
'Cause
what
I'm-
he's saying is true, that's not a good look.
I am not jealous. I'm not hating. I'm not coming by the house or anything looking for him.
Okay.
So again, the disconnect is
Stop spending that money on the other women and these
I
children.
need you to stop interrupting me
Yes, ma'am.
because you have not done anything to prove to me yet that this man needs to pay you even the $1,000. You said the children are in private school. It's $1,000 for private school.
Yes.
Okay.
And that's the whole child support, that I need more money to take care of them.
But you're a
You're
teacher.
taking care of yourself.
What?
You're not taking care of them.
You don't know.
As emotions flare, Mrs. Henry keeps circling back to the same point. He's spending money on other women. But legally, that has zero bearing on child support. The judge cuts in. That has nothing to do with this case. This is where courtroom discipline meets emotional chaos. You can tell the judge has seen this pattern before. Personal pain dressed up as a legal complaint.
That.
I do.
No,
Miss
you don't.
Henry, Miss Henry,
Yes,
you
ma'am.
obviously came here to waste my time.
No,
okay?
no, Your Honor.
Yes, you did.
No,
Yes, you
no,
did. You are asking for more money, and he's giving just that. He's giving $1,000. He's covering.
So what about clothing?
Y'all have a split schedule.
I
He
buy
needs
them.
to
I got
maintain
clothes at my
clothing.
house.
Excuse me, Mr.
Please, you
Henry.
bring the
Excuse me.
kids
Give me a
back
minute.
home and they
Give me a
look
minute.
just-
Here's the reality of it. You all have a split schedule. You need to be providing clothing and everything for your home. You need to be providing. This is what I'm going to do. I'm not going to order anybody to pay child support. What I'm going to do is that you're.
And here it is, the breaking point. The judge says, "You obviously came here to waste my time." Brutal honesty, no filter. She lays it out. The father pays, the tuition's covered, and the schedule is fair. Yet Mrs. Henry keeps arguing it's not fair. At that moment, you realize fairness in court doesn't mean emotional satisfaction. It means balance. And Mrs. Henry just lost hers.
You testified to this. You said tuition was $1,000.
Yes.
$500 per child. So you know what? You're going to pay $500,
Wow.
and he's going to pay
Judge.
$500 directly to the school.
Make more
right.
money than I do, and you had.
And you're going to keep maintaining the health insurance. Okay. Now,
Thank
if you
you.
decide to get private health insurance on your own through your employer, you're obviously you can do that. The children can be double insured. I'm not going to have him pay more than $1,000 or even continue paying $1,000 when, based on both of your testimony, you have a split schedule. That's what's in the best interest of the children. And
The judge hands down the final decision, no child support order. Instead, both parents will each pay $500 directly to the school. The father keeps paying health insurance, and that's it. It's a clean, logical ruling, the kind that slices through drama with pure fairness. The judge even says, "That's what's fair." And when Mrs. Henry argues again, the judge calmly replies, "Well, it is fair today. Game over."
that's what's fair.
fair.
That is fair.
That's not fair.
Well, it is fair today. Did you have anything else?
You got it. You got it.
It's always about me, right?
It is.
I asked
It
you a
is.
question. Okay, Mr.
Just
Henry,
when
did
you
you
bring
have?
the kids back home, make sure they're dressed properly, please.
I bring them back with what they came with.
What? Okay.
Okay, well,
All right.
Mr. Henry, is there anything further?
That's it, Your Honor.
If there is nothing further, you all are dismissed.
So in the end, justice didn't bend to emotion. It held firm to facts. The father walked out with his dignity intact, and the judge made sure both parents carried equal weight. This wasn't just a legal victory. It was a reminder that child support is about children, not revenge. If this courtroom moment hit you as hard as it did us, drop a comment, hit like, and subscribe for more real courtroom drama that exposes the truth behind the bench.